How do you stay productive? What are some of the best habits that you can use and utilize to really maximize your day, your balance, and your mental and physical well being, as well as pushing forward your career or your business? My name is Beat Gillette. I'm the growth architect and founder of the Women's Code. I am a business growth strategist, and I help visionaries and leaders through blueprints, tools, and strategies to make their impact and devise growth strategies for businesses. So, what I find about productivity is that it is very difficult for most of us to sit at our desks and be productive the entire day. I mean, it is close to impossible. And what happens is that after a period of very intense focus, your brain wants to take a break. And that's for one out of two reasons. Number one, because of this intense focus, your brain just wants to go for a walk or just do something else or take a break, or your subconscious programming comes through and it wants to boycott you from making any advances in your life or in your career because your subconscious programming is designed to keep you exactly where you have always been. So if you want to be more productive than you normally are, and you want to take your business, your personal life to a totally different level, you have to change some of your habits. And when you do that, that of course increases your ability to be productive, because if you want to do more, if you want to be more successful, things have to change. And so that's where productivity really comes in. In productivity, productivity really is defined as what your output is in a particular type of time. So you could be sitting in your desk, but you are not being productive. Productive is when you actually have your to-do list or your action items, and you start going through them and crossing them off, check, piece by piece by piece by piece. So that's productivity. That's what productivity is defined, is the output of what you're really doing. So one of the ways for you to get started is to think about, what are you really doing when you're sitting at your desk? How many times do you go check social media? How many times do you pick up your phone? How many times do you get distracted, get up, do something else? So the first thing to be more productive is turn off every single ping on your phone and your computer. So I have turned off, literally, on my Slack channel notifications, I've turned off any kind of ping on my phone. So I set time aside to go and check in a particular period of time. And then I take the phone, I put it upside down, I put it away so that I don't get constantly distracted. Because whenever you get distracted out of the productivity zone, then it takes you about 20 minutes to get back into it. And that's 20 minutes you lost. So for those 20 minutes, you could have gone for a walk or you could have gone for a workout. The second piece is, I have covered this in a different video, that I ask my Google to set me a timer for a period of time. And so when I'm in a task, I give myself a particular amount of time, and then I stay within that time zone to do that. I also schedule my workouts. I also schedule when I am taking my time off. And I know that my brain, because I am intensely focused when I'm in a productivity zone, ever so often needs a break. So I'll make sure that I'll make myself a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. Have a cookie, or, sometimes when it's particularly intense, I might go for a walk for an hour, and I do my mindset work when I'm on my walk, because this is a second piece about productivity I want you to really be clear about, is productivity is not just, what you sort of do, but it's also the inner work. And the inner work is critical for you to be successful. So I do mindset work every single day. I either listen to it when I'm out of the shower and as I get ready for the day, or I do it when I'm walking or exercising. I listen to a podcast or a mindset training, so that I always continue to move myself forward and remind myself, in order to be really super productive, there has to be an alignment of your physical well-being, your mental well-being, and your emotional well-being. And happiness makes you the most productive, because when you're happy everything is easy, everything is flying right off the desk, and you feel like you're really accomplishing a lot. So these are my tips on productivity for today. If you like this video, please press the like button right now, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel so you get notified when I publish other videos. And thank you so much for watching. This is Beate Gillette, the Growth Architect.